Okay, in this video, we are going to look at the last example. They're telling us what force is needed to stop a car of mass 500 kgs moving at a velocity of 10 meters per second. So they are telling us what force is needed to stop. Stopping this car would mean we are giving it a velocity of 0 as its final velocity, because when we stop it, it won't be moving. So the initial velocity in that case would be a 0. So if it is to cover a distance of 40 meters, so we need first find the acceleration if we are to get the force. We cannot find the force when we don't have the acceleration. Why? Because force is equal to ma. So we need to first calculate the acceleration. Now, which equation are we supposed to use? We have u, we have v, we have s. That is the third equation. This is 0 squared is equal to u squared, 10 squared plus 2as. We couldn't use the first equation because we don't have the time. We couldn't use the second equation because we don't have v. So this becomes 0 is equal to 100 plus 80a. Negative 100 is equal to 80a. A is equal to negative 1.25 meters per second. So we already have the acceleration. We can go ahead and use Newton's second law. Using Newton's second law, we know that force is equal to ma, and this time force is equal to 500 times negative. Mind you, we substitute in with a negative. Some students forget that. This gives you negative 625 newtons. You can see that our force is also a negative. This marks the end. Next time we meet, we shall look at motion in a lift. Don't forget to put standard units, please. And these questions are being set in a scenario format. Thank you very much.